Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about deadlocks. The deadlock problem, system model, deadlock characterization, methods for handling deadlocks, deadlock prevention, deadlock avoidance, deadlock detection, recovery from deadlock. Chapter objectives: to develop a description of deadlocks which prevent sets of concurrent processes from completing their tasks, to present a number of different methods for preventing or avoiding deadlocks in a computer system. The deadlock problem: a set of blocked processes each holding a resource and waiting to acquire a resource held by another process in the set. Example: system has two disk drives, P1 and P2. Each hold one disk drive and each needs another one. Example: semaphores A and B initialized to P0 wait A, wait B, P1 wait B, wait A. Bridge crossing example: traffic only in one direction. Each section of a bridge can be viewed as a resource. If a deadlock occurs, it can be resolved if one car backs up. Several cars may have to be backed up if a deadlock occurs. Starvation is possible. Note: most OSs do not prevent or deal with deadlocks. System model: resource types R1, R2, Rn, CPU cycles, memory space, I/O devices. Each resource type R1 has W1 instances. Each process utilizes a resource as follows: request, use, release. Deadlock characterization: deadlock can arise if four conditions hold simultaneously. Mutual exclusion: only one process at a time can use a resource. Hold and wait: a process holding at least one resource is waiting to acquire additional resources held by other processes. No preemption: a resource can be released only voluntarily by the process holding it after that process has completed its task. Circular wait: there exists a set P0, P1, Pn of waiting processes such that P0 is waiting for a resource that is held by P1. P1 is waiting for a resource that is held by P2. Pn-1 is waiting for a resource that is held by Pn, and P0 is waiting for a resource that is held by Pn. Resource allocation graph: a set of vertices V and a set of edges E. V is partitioned into two types: P is equal to P1, P2, and so on Pn. The set consisting of all the processes in the system. R is equal to R1, R2, and so on Rm. The set consisting of all resource types in the system. Request edge: directed edge P1 Rj, assignment edge, directed edge Rj P1. देन हम पढ़ते हैं बेसिक फैक्ट्स डेडलॉक्स के. इफ़ ग्राफ contains no cycles, no deadlock. If graph contains a cycle, if only one instance per resource type, then deadlock. If several instances per resource type, possibility of deadlock. Then methods of handling deadlocks: ensure that the system will never enter a deadlock state. Allow the system to enter a deadlock state and then recover. Ignore the problem and pretend that deadlocks never occur in the system. Used by most operating systems including Unix. Deadlock prevention: restrain the ways request can be made. Mutual exclusion: not required or shareable resources must hold for non-shareable resources. Hold and wait: must guaranteed that whenever a process requests a resource, it does not hold any other resources. Require process to request and be allocated all its resources. Low resource utilization, starvation possible. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाकी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे.